Community hospital investing $250 million in Indianapolis healthcare, including an all-new East Side Hospital. I'm Chris Prophet. That story's still ahead.
All new at 5:30, Community Health Network is making a major investment in healthcare in Indianapolis.
Community announced plans today to build a new East Side Hospital and a new cancer center at Community North. RTV6's Chris Prophet is live at Community East with these new developments. Chris?
And nearly $250 million will go toward building a new Community East Hospital on the site of the old hospital and also a new cancer center at Community North. The original plan, which was announced last fall, was to renovate Community East. Instead, a new $175 million hospital will be built here, and a new $60 million cancer center is slated for Community North. Both projects begin this year. The new hospital here on the east side replaces Community East, which opened in 1956. Community Health says that the new hospital represents a commitment to top-notch health care for the city's east side, along with revitalizing the area.
We can identify other opportunities to bring business, bring jobs, to bring housing, to bring safety, to bring all the things that people are looking for, schools, quality schools, to those areas.
Now, Community Health says by building this hospital instead of renovating it, the project will be completed 2 years earlier than it was slated to during renovations. Now, coming up for you at 7 o'clock, Eastsiders send off on this new hospital and what it means to them. We'll have that for you at 7. Live on the east side, Chris Prophet, RTV6.
Tonight, Community Health Network plans a major investment in healthcare in Indianapolis. Nearly $250 million investment in its north and east side hospitals. RTV6's Chris Prophet is live at Community East with these new developments. Chris.
And Community East Hospital has been serving the health care needs of the east side for 58 years. In announcing this new hospital today, Community Health Network said there's a new era of health care coming to the east side and for all of Indianapolis, and a new level of cancer care to the north side. Opened in 1956, Community Hospital East was due to undergo a $175 million renovation that was announced last fall. Instead, on Thursday, Community Health Network announced the building of a new hospital.
For a $175 million investment, we can get a new hospital. Not a refurbished hospital, but a new hospital. And a new hospital on the same site.
Community will also replace its 25-year-old cancer center at its North Hospital and campus with a new 3-story, $60 million cancer center described as a medical home away from home. But the biggest project is devoted to the east side, where Community Health breaks ground this summer for its new hospital slated to open in 2019.
We will put a new face on healthcare for the east side of Indianapolis.
While there have been renovations over the years at Community East, Community Health says that the new hospital represents a commitment to its east side roots, something that neighbors of the hospital say they are glad to hear.
This is a more established area, neighborhood. There's older people in this area, and it would help them to have a modern facility.
Nobody comes to the east side to invest in property or to build things, so yeah, I think it would be great.
A nearly $250 million investment in Indianapolis healthcare and a big step in the revitalization of the east side. Said today that by building a new hospital instead of renovating, they can open this 2 years earlier. Reporting live on the east side, Chris Prophet, RTV6.